Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel, Garden House.
Snake plants, also known as Sansevieria trifasciata, or mother-in-law's tongue, are popular houseplants known for their resilience, low maintenance care, and air purifying abilities. They are native to tropical West Africa and Asia. Snake plants are characterized by their upright, sword-shaped leaves, which can grow from 6 inches to several feet, depending on the variety. Some popular choices include the moonshine with its pale silvery green leaves, Laurenti with creamy yellow edges, and golden honey with golden yellow variegation. Different type of snake plant. Other notable types include the Xylanica with its wavy stripes, Fernwood Mikado with arching leaves, and the black coral with dark green leaves and wavy horizontal bands. About snake plant care. Place in a location where it will receive direct sunlight only part of the day, 2 to 6 hours, as it will tolerate very low light well. Well-drained soil and careful watering are a must. Do not overwater, as the roots will rot in spring to autumn. Allow the soil to dry between waterings. Propagate snake plant cuttings. 1. Remove a leaf from the snake plant Dracaena trifasciata at its base. 2. Cut the leaf into sections 10-12 cm long. Allow the cut areas to dry for 1-2 days. 3. Fill a 15 cm pot with potting mix to about 3/4 full. Use a dibbler to insert each piece of leaf. I hope you like my video.